what is happening with my tongue. This product is Chummeshwari. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Apurva. I make beauty and lifestyle content over here, so please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, also press that bell icon, so every time I upload a video you will get updated, and please show all your love and support. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. In this video we are going to start a new series called Project Pen. Originally this idea was by Shreya Jain. So let me just break it down for you. What is the Project Pen? Project Pen is like to finish and to use most out of the product, like makeup, hair care, skin care, each and everything. So majorly in this video I will be covering makeup because I have lot of makeup and I apply makeup every single day. So I think the makeup is my best bet to start the series with. In this video I am going to showcase you 10 different makeup products, and for every single product I have different set of goal which I need to achieve. I am not forcing myself to achieve that goal. I will take it a small baby step to achieve that goal. I hope that make you clear what the Project Pen series is. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First product is this Insight Cosmetic Prime and Perfect Hydrating Primer. I know this primer is so good, so hydrating, but ever since I got ELF primer and the ELF Hello Glow, I have stopped using this product. Like you can see the texture, this is so creamy and so hydrating. It's so good for dry skin, and see, look at that shine and that hydration. So my goal with this product is to use at least 20 times to finish 1/4 or maybe half of it in 20 times, if that makes sense. Next up, this is the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. This is in the shade NC30, and look at the pen size. This is so huge. So my goal with this product is to use at least 25 times, because ever since I bought the PAC translucent powder, it has been lying in my vanity. Before the PAC translucent powder, it was my go-to product with no makeup look and everything. Also this powder has a coverage. Let me just show you. And see, it has slight bit of coverage, and this powder is so good for no makeup days, and I think I need to use it because I am not letting my makeup go to waste, so I need to use it, and my goal is to use at least 25 times. Next product is this eyeshadow palette. I know this is so huge. This is by Moira Cosmetic, and this is Getaway series palette. This is in the shade Let's Get Carried Away. Trust me, this palette is so beautiful. Can you see? It has all the tropical shade, and I love this palette. Ever since I bought the Huda Naughty and the Mercury palette, I have stopped using this palette, and I need to use it more often. So my goal with this palette is to at least hit the pan on 2 eyeshadows, maybe this or this, maybe this or this, I don't know any of this, but to hit pan. Also lot of you might have question like कि कैसे क्या update करूँगी मैं Project Pen series पे. So मैं सारी progress अपने Instagram पे डालूँगी, like on the stories. Also I will update you through the long form YouTube video just after the 2 months, and you guys need to hold me accountable for that. Like if I forgot to upload a video, then please comment, Apurva, where is the video, like what's happening with your Project Pen series. So okay, and keep that as a reminder. Next product in my series is the Revolution Gel Eyeliner. Trust me, I am huge fan of gel eyeliner and liquid eyeliner. Also this might sound little controversial, but I am so uncomfortable to use sketch liner. I can draw sharp wing with the liquid liner, but with the sketch liner, trust me, this was my 4th or 5th purchase. Since I got K Beauty liquid liner, I'm not getting back to it. Also, I have created this look with all the product in the Project Pen series. So I have used this liner to tightline my upper lid. Also, it might look so small, so you think my goal with this product is to finish it all. No, you need slight quantity, and my goal for this product is to use at least 20 to 25 times because it contains 3 grams of product, and to finish a eyeliner, it's next to impossible. Next up in my Project Pen series is this. This is the K Beauty eyeshadow stick, and this is in the shade Bare Metal. Also, this is so pretty shade. It will go with no makeup look, and it's so perfect. Like, can you see the swatch? It's so perfect. Every time I used to go out and I'm not feeling to do any kind of makeup, so I will just apply this on the lids and I am good to go. Ever since I am using blush as a eyeshadows, I have stopped using this, and my goal for this product is to finish it up. Next product on my Project Pen series is this Anastasia mascara. Ever since I have got my hands on MAC Stack mascara, I have stopped using this. I have bought 2 tubes of MAC Stack mascara and I have finished it up, and my goal for this product is to use at least 20 to 25 times so that I can finish it up, or maybe I'm this close to finish this up. Also, the wand is so perfect, like how I like my mascara wand to be. In this series, I have kept 2 blushes so I can switch it up according to my mood. And this is by Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Pretty Grunge Blush Gloss, and can you see how much I have used this? And this gave you so perfect glossy look. In spring, the perfect glossy blush is so in trend, so this is so right time to use it. And my goal for this product is to hit the pan. I know it's a lot, but when you take it on the brush, so it emulsify the product, and when you apply it with your brush, it will change color to your skin pH level, and you need a lot of this blush. So I think I can achieve this goal with this product. Next product is this. This is also blush. This is by K Beauty Creme Blush. This is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. Little dot goes a long way. Also, this shade is so pretty. Like, can you see how much I have applied this? See, it is so pigmented. Also, I have 3 different shades in K Beauty Creme Blushes. So my goal for this product is to use at least 15 times. Next product on my Project Pen series is this My Glam Liquid Illuminator, and this illuminator is so good. Also, this is in the shade Unicorn, and I have used this as a highlighter, and trust me guys, it gave you so nice glow. Like, can you see how beautiful it look? And look at that shift. Also, this product is so liquidy and it blended so beautifully and seamlessly. Let me just show you up close, and look at that sheen. This product is Chummeshwari. I have stopped using this product because I was more into the cream highlighter. I need to use this product, so my goal with this product is to use at least 15 times. Last but not the least, this is the next product. This is My Glam Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Steeze. This is so perfect pinkish mauvish nude color, and look at that shade. It looks so stunning. The formulation is good. It's so creamy, so buttery. It's glide like makhan on the lips. But I have stopped using this. I have stopped using this because I got so many different lip liners, so I was using that. So I think I need to use most out of it because this product is getting expired soon. So my goal for this product is to finish it up. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys next Friday. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.